Welcome to the Alam La Popo channel. In this video we will explore, can AI really fix supply chains? But before we start, don't forget to subscribe. Artificial intelligence has evolved from theory to daily reality. From healthcare to logistics, AI systems now make faster, smarter decisions. The last decade has seen exponential growth in AI capabilities. Companies are using machine learning to predict customer behavior and optimize processes. Supply chains have become one of the most promising areas for AI applications. Global disruptions have revealed the fragility of traditional supply networks. AI promises to bring visibility, automation, and resilience to supply chains. But the question remains, can it truly fix the complexity of modern logistics? Let's explore how AI is changing every link of the chain. From warehouses to ports, AI now monitors everything in real time. AI-powered sensors track temperature, delays, and location of shipments. Predictive analytics helps forecast demand before shortages occur. Machine learning optimizes routes, saving time and fuel. AI also helps detect fraud and errors across global suppliers. Intelligent systems reduce human workload and improve consistency. Still, humans play a crucial role in oversight and decision-making. Collaboration between AI and humans forms the future of efficient logistics. Now, let's dive into the real challenges supply chains face today. Supply chains are vast, interconnected systems with countless variables. One delay at a port can ripple through the entire global system. Shortages of raw materials disrupt production schedules everywhere. Manual processes make data inconsistent and unreliable. Lack of visibility makes it hard to respond to sudden market changes. Transportation costs and fuel prices increase unpredictably. Environmental regulations add new layers of compliance challenges. Supply chain management requires precise coordination across countries. Pandemics and conflicts can paralyze entire networks overnight. Companies now look to AI for smarter, faster problem-solving. AI algorithms analyze millions of data points every second. Automation speeds up warehouse operations with precision. Computer vision ensures quality control during packaging. Predictive maintenance prevents equipment failures before they happen. Chatbots and AI assistants improve communication with suppliers. Smart contracts on blockchain enhance transparency and trust. AI helps reduce waste by optimizing inventory levels. Data analytics supports sustainability and carbon reduction goals. But no system is perfect. AI faces real-world limits too. Let's explore the barriers AI still struggles to overcome. AI systems depend on large amounts of accurate data to work effectively. Poor data quality can lead to wrong predictions and costly errors. Many companies still lack the infrastructure to collect real-time data. Integrating AI with old systems can be complex and expensive. Cybersecurity becomes a major risk as AI handles sensitive data. Data breaches can expose suppliers, customers, and trade secrets. The cost of AI implementation is still high for small businesses. Not all employees are trained to use AI tools effectively. Resistance to change often slows digital transformation projects. AI models can also inherit human bias from the data they learn. Biased algorithms can lead to unfair supplier ratings or poor decisions. Another challenge is the black box problem. AI decisions aren't always explainable. Transparency is key to building trust between humans and AI. Collaboration between data scientists and supply chain experts is essential. Human judgment still matters when interpreting AI insights. AI should assist, not replace, human decision making. Ethical AI frameworks are needed to ensure fairness and accountability. Governments are developing regulations for safe AI use in logistics. Future supply chains will blend automation, AI, and human expertise. AI will predict disruptions before they happen and suggest solutions instantly. Self-learning logistics systems will adapt automatically to global changes. Real-time supply visibility will become the new global standard. AI-driven sustainability will reduce emissions and optimize energy use. Digital twins will simulate supply chains before real-world execution. Predictive AI will balance supply and demand in near real time. Autonomous trucks and drones will soon deliver goods seamlessly. Global logistics will rely on AI communication between machines. With AI, downtime will decrease, and responsiveness will improve dramatically. But the journey to full AI integration requires time, trust, and teamwork. Companies must invest in people as much as in technology. Education will play a critical role in creating AI-ready professionals. Continuous learning ensures humans stay in control of intelligent systems. The future supply chain will be more predictive, connected, and sustainable. AI won't fix everything, but it will make problems visible faster. Human creativity and ethics will guide AI toward responsible innovation. The strongest supply chains will be human, AI partnerships, not replacements. AI gives us visibility, but humans provide vision. Together, they form a supply chain that is faster, smarter, and more resilient. So, can AI really fix supply chains? The answer: it can, if we work with it wisely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ALP stories.